Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration BF68 UKZ. Toyota Hilux Invincible DCab Pickup 2.4D 4D Auto. It has done 81,000 miles with full service history and one previous owner. It comes with air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, parking sensors, reverse camera, load liner. This stunning silver Hilux is a fantastic truck with great reliability, fitted with a brilliant spec. An amazing multipurpose vehicle, don't miss out. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale, part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.